It all started for me when I went to a region in Somaliland called Sanag, and a little village, a little fishing village on the coast where my family came from. The first time I went there, it was wonderful. Obviously, I only saw what people wanted me to see. But as I started to go there on a regular basis annually, I noticed that the fishermen and their activity was getting less and less and less and less. And I noticed at the same time that in the far horizon, there would be these big foreign boats, motherships, with their little tenders crawling around the sea, scooping up all the fish. The activity of the Somalilanders getting less and less easy. And at the same time, what was happening was the growth